All right, Facebook, March the 2nd. I'm on my second job of the day. This job, this client, she's a new customer. She found me on Facebook, but she said what really made it stand out was seeing her other friends who have used my services before like my page and also leave reviews on my page. And she said she also enjoyed watching the videos. So she did give me permission to film her carpets. Her carpets are definitely in need of a good cleaning. I got my pre-treatment made up. Show you guys what I'm doing. It's a total of 5 areas. This room right here counts as 2. So this is the masters with the sitting area. Okay, so this is 2 areas right here. You guys are going to really see a big difference right here in this carpet. I mean, just really all of it. I think she's going to be very happy once I'm done. So there's 2, there's 3. This room right here is 4. It's 4, just going around the furniture. And then 1 room downstairs makes 5. This room right here. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get started. Come back and show you guys some results. Stay tuned. All right, guys, I'm on the first room. As you can see how good these carpets are coming out. You got some little action. I'm telling you, one of the things that really get me going, even though I've been doing this for 20 years, I will say though, the first 12 years, I really don't, I mean, I count because I was in the industry, but I don't count as being a true professional because I worked for other companies. A lot of these companies didn't teach us the right way. They wasn't using the right products, the right tools. I mean, these companies was just all about sell, 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 how much we can get out of the customer. And but anyway, now that I've built a company based off of quality, I just love when people say, oh my God, my friend said so many good things about you, and I've seen the videos, and I can't wait to see what you can do to my carpets. It's almost like a carpet makeover. All right, guys, I'm in the masters now, doing the sitting area in the masters. Carpets are coming out amazing. All right, guys, I'm gonna call Miss Grace up, let her take a look before I go downstairs. I still got that one room to do over there. I want to call her up, let her take a look at the carpets. Again, she's a new client who came highly recommended from Facebook. Hey, Miss Grace, can I see you for a minute? So I know you came highly recommended for some of your friends on Facebook, and I just want you to see the results for yourself.
Okay, it's looking good. Looking good. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I haven't done that room yet. You can go look at that room over there. Yes, ma'am.
Making a big difference. Oh, yes. Okay, I'm gonna sleep in the hallway.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Very nice?
Yeah.
All righty.
Absolutely.
And later on today, in about an hour or two, you can go back on Facebook and watch it before and after.
Okay.
As I'm cleaning, and you'll see the, you know, like the, actually the soil coming out of the carpet.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great. I sense by what I saw on Facebook, I could see the difference.
Yes, ma'am.
This is true.
It's true. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity.
I'm glad to found you because I was calling around. Believe me, I had other people I was calling.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, thank you.
Yeah, you were the choice.
Appreciate that. That's what I want to hear. All right, guys. She's happy. I'm going to go ahead and finish up. I'm not going to record that room, but the one downstairs. But yeah, man, results are amazing. All right, guys, do some dry strokes. All right, guys, I am done. Mrs. Terry is very, very happy with the results. And we actually got some time to bond and talk. And she actually, as we was talking, and that's why I enjoy talking with my customers and my clients. You never know who you're going to meet. She works for a radio station, and she actually interviewed me for 3 minutes, hearing my story. Once she realized I was the owner of the company, and she was very excited to see that. And also doing a good job I think is what sparked that conversation. If I think I was doing a bad job, or if I was doing a bad job, I don't think she would want to have a good conversation with me. So this job came out amazing. All right, guys, that's going to do it. I am done for the day. Have a few estimates to do tomorrow. One for hardwood and another one for a commercial carpet cleaning. And that's it. All right, guys. See you in the next one.